How to get a free virtual credit card. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. For today's video, we will be teaching you how to get your own free virtual credit card. Virtual credit card are digital payment solution that offers a safe and convenient way to make online purchases. They provide an added layer of security by keeping your actual credit card details private during an online transaction. In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to obtain a free virtual credit card, highlight the benefits they offer, and with a virtual credit card, you can shop online securely without worrying about exposing your sensitive financial information to potential risk. One of the key benefits of virtual cards is that it helps protect your personal and financial data. Since virtual cards are not tied to your physical credit card, they provide an extra layer of security against fraudulent activities and unauthorized transactions. Additionally, virtual cards often come with a feature such as limiting validity periods or spending limits, giving you more control over your online transaction. So, let's begin with our tutorial. Now for today's video, we will be focusing on privacy.com, which is a website that would provide you a free virtual credit card. And then we will mention later on two other websites wherein you can get your own virtual credit cards as well. But for today's video, we will focus on privacy.com. Now the first thing you're going to do is you're going to create your account, of course. So you will be able to create your account by going to the sign up page and not the login page. And then you're going to have to enter your email and then a password over here, and you're going to have to agree that you are a US citizen and agree to the terms and services in this section over here. Now after entering your email in privacy.com, they will send you a confirmation email into your email inbox. This is what it would look like. So we're going to confirm our email address. And now after completing that, after verifying your privacy account in your email, right now for me it was from Gmail, we will now be able to access the homepage of privacy.com. This is what the homepage would look like. As you can see, you have the card section over here. Right now, we don't have any card yet. That's why we're going to create a new card later on. And over here also, you will be able to see your activities. In the activities section, you will be able to see all the different transactions happening on your card so that you will be able to easily track them and see what is happening, what is being adjusted, and basically what is being used, which card is being used to pay for your different bills. As you can see here, you will be able to set a daily limit. Right now, the default daily limit is 1,250 spending limit over a period of 7 days. You could also see here for the 30 days, you have 5,000 spending limit, and you cannot go over the spending limit, by the way. You could also see your privacy credit, which will apply automatically to purchase made using privacy card. You will be able to earn some credits for you to use later on. Now, how do you create your own free virtual credit card? Now, to be able to create your free virtual credit card, you're simply going to click on new card over here, which would now allow you to create your first very own virtual credit card. Now, the virtual credit card that Privacy offers is a virtual credit card that you could use for specific platforms. As you can see here for the phone, internet, and TV section, these are the different cards that you could create. You could create a card for Xfinity, Verizon, T-Mobile, Spectrum. You could also check out Netflix, Spotify, HBO Max, and Disney. You could also see Best Buy, eBay, and all of these other platforms over here like Steam, PlayStation, GameStop, and Xbox One. Depending on what you would like the virtual card for, you could use this and choose from these different options to help you identify what the purpose of the card that you have created. For example, I would like to have a card created for Steam. I could use this and create my privacy card. And as you can see, just like that, we were able to create a Steam card that is specifically for Steam. This is a virtual credit card that I have created for Steam, and we click on the three dots over here, click on customize, click on I understand, and you will be able to change your virtual card to anything you want if ever you did make a mistake. You could also customize it to your own customization over here if you would like to have your own design. You could also click this, and now you will be able to see your nickname over here, the total spending limit, the funding source over here. you will be able to pause this specific virtual card if you would like, or close this virtual card over here. So for the nickname, you could adjust this. Right now it's Team, or you could just change the nickname whatever you would like. You could set a spending limit. Right now it is $100. You could add this to no limit, or like $2,705 as the limit for per month. You could also change it to per year, per transaction, or total over here. Now, what is the purpose of the spending limit? Now, sometimes there are hidden transactions occurring on your credit card, and sometimes different platform will take more money than what it should. So the purpose of this virtual credit card, which is very good actually, is that it will have a spending limit, so that if you bought a $100 game, it will not exceed that. It will not accept any payment or hidden fees happening that exceeds the $100 mark. That's the very good thing about the Privacy.com virtual card. It creates a limit for you so that you wouldn't be scammed or taken more money that you should have been paying for. So that's the good thing about this. You could set this to $100. You can see here, I'm going to go with 170 instead, and you could set this as the spending limit for the specific card. And once it reaches this limit for this month, it will no longer be active. You will no longer be able to use this virtual credit card until next month, so that you will have to wait for the monthly limit to be reset every time. You could change this, like I said earlier, you could change this to a total, monthly, per year, or per transaction over here. You could also choose your funding source over here. You could connect your credit card into your Privacy.com so that the virtual credit card will take money from your actual credit card and allocate it to different things that you have assigned the virtual credit card to do. Like I said, it's very simple, but before you could actually do all of the things that I have said, you would first need to fully verify and fully complete your profile for privacy. These are the different things you would need to do. You would need to create your account, which we have obviously done. Create your first privacy virtual card, which is this one. Complete your profile, connect a funding source, agree to our terms, and make your first purchase with privacy. Those are the different to-do lists that you would need to do to fully set up and fully verify and then fully create your profile or your account in privacy. Now, privacy isn't just the only website that you could use to create a virtual credit card. There are also other different platforms that would provide you or could provide you with a virtual credit card that you could use for your online transaction. One of those examples is called Juni. Juni.co is also a website or a platform that allows you to create your own virtual credit card. As you can see here on our preview over here, this is their virtual credit card. You could use this to do the same thing what we saw earlier here. You could do the same thing like order or use it for your online purchases. You could use it to whatever you would like. As you can see, this is an example of their virtual credit card. Now, another website that you could do this with is IronVest over here. IronVest, like what the other two website offers, gives you an online virtual credit card that you would be able to use for your online purchases, which would allow you and have a layer of protection from risky websites or like risky transactions online to prevent from fraudulent acts. And what you're simply going to do is you could create your accounts on this other website if you would like to try them out, and you would be able to get your own free virtual credit cards. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.